Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my first annual, as in I get 2 boxes. This is the first one that I've received. It is my fall Fabfitfun, so let's get into it. See what choices I put in this box. Newly a Fabfitfun partner, but I have received Fabfitfun for years. I actually have 2 annual boxes of my own. This is the first one. We made all of the choices. We have a couple of extra choices in it. I will do my add-ons and my mystery bundle tomorrow, but today we're gonna focus on my choices in this box. I am so excited to have this one. My second annual is due tomorrow, so we'll be doing that really soon too. I love Fabfitfun season. I love all the fun things we get to choose. This box was so pretty on the inside, and like I said last time, I know it's an ad, but that Ricola ad is so pretty inside the box. That is what it looks like when it comes to you. If you are new to Fabfitfun, it is a lifestyle box. It comes out spring, summer, fall, and winter. There are 6 products in it. You choose all 6 of them, whether you are a seasonal or an annual. They work with great brands. It's always so many choices now. In some of the categories, we had 10 and 11 choices this season. So I can always find something that I want for both of my boxes. No problem. I am a Fabfitfun partner, so I will put my links down below. If you sign up as a seasonal, it is $69.99 per season. But with my link below, you will get 20% off your first box, which will bring it down to $55.99. And if you sign up as an annual, it will be $219.99. But you will save $60, which is almost a box, over the course of the year. And you will get a box of goodies from them valued at more than $200 when you sign up as an annual. So if that's something you can do, it's really worthwhile. When we take the protective paper off the front, that is what it looks like. This box did come for me in a bigger box because I did have add-ons and extra selections. And you can see inside the box how pretty it is. It smells good in here. Spoiler alert, I think it might be my laundry detergent. I took everything out. And while I have it out, let me show you that the inside and the bottom of the box, very pretty also. I mean, I don't know what you guys do with these. I keep them just in case I need to pack something up. Sometimes I have some of my extra goodies in it. I use it as storage, but that one is so pretty on the inside. Jumping right in with my choice from Customization 1. In this box, I went with the cookie sheets. When I first saw these, I was like, nah, I'm good with cookie sheets. And then I looked at my cookie sheets. We did an honest appraisal and I was like, you know what? I probably could use some new cookie sheets. And I am so glad that I did. Let me rip this off. They are heavy and nice. They're from KitchenAid. We received 2 of the cookie sheets and what they called a cookie lifter, and it is nice and solid too. I am so happy I decided to go with this. It seemed so basic when we were looking at it online, but holding it in my hands, the quality is amazing. So I am very happy with it. You can see it's stamped KitchenAid in the middle. Yeah, I'm gonna like this a lot. It's gonna be perfect because of these nice edges. It's gonna be perfect not just for cookies, but also for roasting, and I can get 2 of these in my oven. Normally, when I do a sheet pan meal, I use my one big sheet pan, but the beauty of this is I can separate the items and they will both fit in my oven this way. The other one I have to put in this way because it's too big, but this I'll be able to use 2 for, and they are, I mean, I don't know how to show you guys how heavy they are. You'll just have to trust me. They are great quality. And then this is fun because you will see in my add-ons, and if you watched my partner box, I chose some of the new Mint KitchenAid products. So I am very happy with that choice. What was the value on that? Let's look in our spoilers. The value on this was $29.99, and I'm here to tell you, that feels like a really good deal. Also in Customization 1, I did an additional selection. It is the Kopari Moisturizer. It's the Moisture Whipped Ceramide Cream. I said when we were doing spoilers, this was going to be my box of moisturizers because I wanted to try them all. I must have one in the other box too. This is what the Kopari looks like. Let's see how it smells and feels. I'm anxious to try all of these. That is what it looks like on the inside. It's just a nice white cream. Very light. I like it a lot, but feels moisturizing. Happy so far. It must be scent free. I probably said that when we did the spoilers, but it feels really nice on my hand. Let's see how it absorbs. We said in spoilers, it has a $42 value and it keeps skin hydrated for 72 hours. It is vegan, cruelty-free, sulfate-free, and we have 2.1 ounces, which is a big moisturizer also. So those were my two choices for customization one. I did my original choice and I did an additional selection. So in theory, as an additional selection in customization one, this $42 product cost $16 to try. I have my links down below if you're new to Fabfitfun. After you see this, it sounds like something that you would like to sign up for. I know it can be a little bit confusing because we talk about our choices and then we talk about additional selections, and I have add-ons and refills and boosts. There is so much going on, but it becomes really easy to work out once you're doing it. Okay, customization 2. We have another moisturizer. This is actually Cicapair Intensive Soothing Repair Cream. So I'm not sure that this is technically a moisturizer. It is a moisturizer. The back says that it is a silky, comforting moisture cream that protects by rapidly repairing your skin barrier to build up skin's resilience, formulated with soothing Cica complex and R Protector. This had a $52 value. It is 1.69 ounces. I have just finished up a trial size ceramide lotion that it read very much like this. And I think this might be the new version of it, but this is the full size. Let's see if it feels, I'll know from the feel and the smell because I have just finished the other up. It does look a lot like the ceramide cream. It has that, I hope it comes across, kind of beigey, mushroomy look to it. Let's see if it smells the same. Nope, this one seems to be a little more scent-free than the one I was using. Yeah, this one has virtually no scent. It feels a lot like it though. So I think it is in some way related to the Dr. Jart's ceramide cream. But I tend to run red and they say that all of the Cica creams are really good for you. So that's why I thought I would give this a try too. I do need to get online and read more about, do I use this with or without a moisturizer? Is this considered moisturizer or do I need to put something on top of it? I have been using the ceramide cream just as it stands. I have not needed, in the summer, I have not needed more moisture on top of that. I think going into winter I would, but for the summer, it's been perfect. Okay, customization 3. In this box, I chose the Briogeo Style and Treat Yuzu and Plum Oil Soft Power Air Dry Cream. I received this the last day before customization ended in an Ipsy. Was it an Ipsy bag? I unboxed it, I think, in my Ipsy bag. I used it the very next morning, the Tuesday morning of the day customization ended, and I loved it. When I went online and looked at a lot of the pictures showed real curly hair, and I was like, that is definitely not me. I mean, I'm about as straight-haired as it gets. But I loved the words that it said. And I thought, you know what, I'm trying it anyway. And I used it and I let my hair air dry and it left my hair so soft and just, it wasn't frizzy. It's so nice. And in the summer, very seldom, but periodically I do try and air dry my hair because I know that dragging on it, it's fragile and it wants to break. So it's so much better if I don't have to do that. And I love the way that this left my hair feeling. It had a $26 value. It is vegan and cruelty-free. And it says they're trying to make every day a good hair day. Now it's even easier to accomplish with this leave-in styling cream, minimize frizz, and reveal beautiful air-dried finish. So I really like the way it left my hair feeling. So I left it in my box because I think I would like more of it. Once winter comes, I can't use it as much because my hair believe it or not, it takes forever to dry. As fine and thin as it is, it sets so flat and so close to my head. It's almost like it forms a protective shield. Like I've put saran wrap over it or something. So I don't use it much in the winter, but I will definitely enjoy it for the rest of the summer. Also in customization 3, additional selections were $14 in customization 3. These are $36 through Vegamore. I love them. They are now basically the only dry shampoo that I use. I suspect if ever I run out, I will use another one if I happen to have it on hand. But I love the Vegamore. I love the way that it smells. This does have the good for you grow ingredients in it. And I use the serum, the shampoo, the conditioner. I have had the hydrate for the bottom of my hair. I use this. Is there anything else? I think that might be it. But I use everything I can get my hands on to help my hair grow and be stronger. And I love this. I love the scent of it. I love the way it makes my hair look. When you first use it, it's for me, and I do have a little bit darker hair. It does give you a little bit of a cast, but I just leave it sit for a couple minutes. Then I go through my hair with my hands and then I brush it through and there's no cast left. And my hair looks so much cleaner and it smells so much better. I struggle with day 2 hair because really I want to wash my hair every day, but this helps me get by. It's a nice, I'll show you. Did you see how it's so fine that it almost just looks like puff. It smells so good. I'm happy to have 2 more of these. I'm at the end of the last one from the last box that we could choose it in. So I only picked up 2. I didn't want to hoard them all. I had 3 in there and I took 1 out, but they do tend to last me a while. But for a $14 additional selection, it couldn't be beat. Customization 4, I chose the Array Live-In Mist. Or if you watched my spoilers, Live-In Mist, but it is the Array Live-In Mist. The more I read about this, the more I was like, yes, I am definitely trying that on my hair. Let me tell you what I liked about it. It has a $36 value. If you did additional selections in customization 4, which I did, I have another one to show you, they were $10. This says that it's their lightweight leave-in conditioner that hydrates, soothes, and protects hair from the inside out with antioxidant properties of raspberry seed oil, while jojoba oil builds internal strength by filling in the structure of the hair strand for use on wet or dry hair to detangle and protect. And then it goes on to tell you that it's 100% natural fragrance and that it's, I think, sage and cedar wood. Here, let me put a little, oh, it's a very, let me show you guys. It's a very nice mist. Oh, that smells good. Yay, I will absolutely use this on my hair. I am freshly done now, but it said wet or dry, so we'll just, why not run it through my hair? Did it take any of the frizz out? It's like 1 billion degrees outside today. Okay, so my hair and I could use all the defrizzing we can get. Also in customization 4, and this is one that I had to try, it is Home Quartz CC Room Deodorant. This is the brand owned by Courtney Cox. That is what it looks like. It is 3.4 ounces. It says shake well, spray generously into the air to neutralize odors and impart lasting fragrance. Make sure to point nozzle away from your face. Okay. Do not spray directly onto fabrics. This is going to be hard for us to try up here because I am surrounded. I'm going to spray it over here in the direction where I have the least amount of stuff. Oh wow, I was almost missing the paper every time I sprayed it. Oh, that smells good. I like that a lot. Very, very fall scent. This was well placed in a fall box. It's definitely like sagey, cedar woody, masculine, cologne-y smelling, but not. It's definitely a home fragrance, not a cologne fragrance. That smells really good. I like that a lot. That is a perfect fall scent. That was definitely worth a $10 ad. Honestly, if I'd known it was going to be that good, I probably would have added more than one. But that is the Home Quartz CC Room Deodorizer. Don't spray your face, don't spray your furniture. Just spray the air and it smells fantastic. Customization 5 is what I talked about at the beginning, slight spoiler. It is the Washland laundry detergent strips. There are 25 in here. It is fresh linen. It smells fantastic. My box smelled like it and it smells like fresh linen. That is exactly what it smells like. Although I will tell you, my room now smells like the room spray and it's fantastic also. That's so good. Yeah, I will be very happy for my laundry to smell like this. It leans a little toward bounce. It's somewhere between, what's the candle at Bath and Body Works, like Fresh Cotton? The one where they show the laundry on the line. Is it fresh linen? It smells kind of like that. It's somewhere between that and a bounce. It's just a really clean smell. I heard from you guys when I talked about getting these, and a lot of you said they worked really well. So I am very happy to try these. I would love for this to be the waste from 25 loads of laundry as opposed to one of those big jugs. Like, I love Persil. It's such a strong scent, and I feel like it scents, my laundry is in my garage area, and I feel like it scents that whole area out there. but I could give that up to help save the planet. It will just, the whole box slides out of here, and it says that you can just use a whole one for a regular load of laundry. If you have a small load, you can rip it in half. It smells so good. And if you have a larger load, use 2 if you want. So I am very excited to use these, and so many of you were like, oh, they're great. That was my choice in customization 5. If you had wanted more choices in customization 5, it would have been $10 also. In customization 6, I only made 1 choice, but if you had wanted more, it would have been $12 additional selections. You guys know I got the book. You guys know I got the journal. It is the Eat Well Papier Recipe Journal, or papier. I don't know. I'm not French. I'm Irish. But that is what it looks like on the front. That is what the back looks like. Say it had a $38 value. Let's see what it looks like when we open it up. Contents: breakfast, lunch, dinner, treats. They say they're going to tell us measurements. The way you know the meal is, it tells you up here. I don't know how well I can get this across. It says breakfast. And then you just write the dish, how many stars you'd give it, the difficulty, and you have like 5 choices, how many portions it is, vegetarian, gluten-free, vegan, all of that. You have your ingredients here, hints and tricks, goes great with, and then the recipe is this whole page. So we have breakfast, and then it switches over to lunch, same exact information. Then it switches over to dinner, same exact information. Then we have treats. Say it with me, same exact information. And then in the back, we have measurements and conversions. This could be so handy. So it tells you that a teaspoon is 5 ml. That's something sometimes we want to know, even from a beauty perspective. A tablespoon is 15 ml. So much great information. Places to try, name and location, what they are known for, my favorite restaurants. So much good information. You guys know I love journaling, so this was for me. I love everything that I can write down. I will put the recipes that I try. I'm gonna have to kind of like them to put them in here, because I get now almost all of my recipes from online, and I try them the first time. I just take the recipe right offline. But if I like it, I do have a book that I put it in, because it's so much easier. I know they want to tell you that it's just as easy to do it online, but if you go to a blog and you're looking for a recipe, the ads are a pain in the biscuits. I don't, and then it'll move your page, close your page. So I usually screen cap it anyway and try and work from my screen caps, which makes me feel 100 years old, because they say only us old people screen cap. I have another new solution for it. So this will be fun to play with. Those were the 6 customizations that I chose for my box for fall 2024. I did add a couple of extra additional selections in a couple of the categories. They offer them at such good pricing, like my Vegamore that I got for $14. It's $36. I got the home spray for $10. I think they're just great deals. So I do like to pick up additional selections in some of my boxes. Now, I have another box coming, and I will have that in a couple of days. But tomorrow, I will pop on really quickly. I only made a few add-on choices, and I have a mystery bundle. And I'm just going to pop on and do it quickly tomorrow so as to not make this any longer. So I hope I will see you then, and then I will have another Fabfitfun box. If you are new to the channel, I hope you will consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. The algorithms all over YouTube, creators are losing their minds. They're really messing with our videos and how often they show it, even to people that subscribe. People aren't getting notifications. It's a whole thing. I'm just over here in my corner saying, how about hitting the notification bell? You probably have a better shot at knowing when my next video comes up. I am a Fabfitfun partner. This is a box that I buy with my own monies. I have another box that I buy with my own monies coming in. I have done Fabfitfun for years before I was a Fabfitfun partner, but I do have links, so I will put them below. We'll get you 20% off a seasonal box or a gift valued at more than $200 off an annual choice. If you have any other questions, let me know below. And if it's something I can help you with, I am happy to do it. I hope I see you tomorrow, guys. Take care.